Oh my god!
The warning alarm as a test. During dangerous weather situations, specially built radios are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of this alarm tone will normally be conducted this time every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe weather threatens the area during the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next available good weather day. The alarm tone will be activated for watches, warnings, and selected statements affecting specific counties based on the transmitter you are listening to. For exact coverage areas, please visit our internet homepage. Receipt of this warning alarm tone will vary at any given location, especially at greater distances from the transmitter and in large buildings. This concludes the weekly alarm test. We now return to our normal programming. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station KXI.